So guys, I have this potato sitting around and I want to show you how to make this super crispy potato snack. So we're going to slice these really thin. So my test slice looks like that. Almost see right through it. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice a whole bunch of these. I don't have my guard. I lost it. So I'm going to be real careful when I'm slicing here, guys. I'm not going to go real low on this potato. I like to save my fingertips. I'm going to go right about there. I got plenty of potatoes. That's it. So I'm going to get a pan heating up. A little bit of olive oil in there. And I want to show you how we're going to do this. We're going to start by just kind of layering these out like a little fan. We're going to fan them around in a circle, lay them on down. They look like little kidney beans. So I'm going to throw a little bit of butter in there, kind of get these to start browning up a little bit. And it's right about here. I realize I may have made a mistake. Now this is a waxy potato, guys. And I was thinking I probably should have used a starchy potato because the starch would actually hold these together like glue. The waxy potato doesn't have that much starch in it, and it's not holding together like glue. It's kind of falling apart a little bit. But I add in my butter. I was thinking kind of crisp them up on the edges, see if we can't get these to kind of come together as one solid cohesive piece of potato. So I'm going to move that butter around. I'm going to let these kind of crisp up. We're going to kind of go about a medium heat. I don't want to go too fast because I need the potatoes to cook and not just burn. So I'm going to loosen them up a little bit here. We're going to add a little bit of salt. We'll get on some fresh cracked pepper. It doesn't need a whole lot. These are super thin. We're going to give them a flip. It kind of fell apart a little, and that's what I'm talking about. If these were those russets, I think they would have just held right together like one solid piece. But we're going to put it back. I'm going to add some butter in here now. And guys, I have some fresh thyme. We're going to throw that in as well. We're just going to do a little based on this, kind of flavor up these potatoes. Trust me, butter and thyme on your potatoes, there's no better combination. That little bit of salt and pepper. So now I'm just going to flip these things back and forth, try to get them nice and crispy. And they're looking pretty good just like that. We don't want to burn them, but we want that golden brown. And let it cool off for just a second. You guys just get in there and enjoy. Try it. It's good. It's crunchy, but the thing's falling apart, and I was hoping it would hold together a little bit better. Still, totally fun to make. Super delicious. I can taste that buttery thyme. Just puts it over the top, elevates it. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.